Hey, so quick tutorial how you can build a form on Ycode, connect it with Airtable and collect data. So I already have designed the form. You can clone this project with the link. So let's start by creating a base in Airtable. I'll name it website base, a table for customers. We'll delete default fields that I don't need and add an email field. So back to Ycode. Under connections, let's now add connection to Airtable. Give it a name. So to create access token, we can follow the instructions, also as the link here. Create new token, give it a name, add a scope for data records read, data records write, and schema bases read. We also need to add a base that we just created, the website base, and create a token. Copy it and paste in Ycode. Let's add a connection. So now back to design. On the form element, we can select the source. Source is website base. Base is website base and table customers. Let's now click on the input and match input with the field in Airtable. So the email field. So now we want to build a workflow. By clicking the button, we want the form to submit. So if I right click on the button and create a page workflow, I will rename it so to remember what it does. So when button is clicked, we want to submit the form, which will create a record in customers. Let's save, back to design and preview, see if it works. If I now go to Airtable, I can see the email that I just entered. So that is good. We can go back to design and add a success state after form is submitted. So this template already includes the success element that was hidden by default. So what we need to do now is to identify those elements that we can find them in workflows later. So let's hide success message by default. And on the form element in the settings, let's give it ID. I'll name it form. Same for the success message. I'll rename it as success. Now back to workflows, to our submit form workflow. So first step is to create a record in customers. Second step will be to hide element. We will hide the form. And the third one is to show element. We will show success. Let's save changes. Back to design. Let's publish our website. We can try it again. So that works great. We can also see the record in the Airtable immediately. You can always add more fields to the forms, build them on Airtable first, and then connect it with the form in Ycode. So let's try to add now name field. I'll duplicate the input for the email. Under settings, we'll match it with the name field and replace placeholder with the name. Save and update the website. Subscribe. Everything looks good, and in the Airtable as well, you can see the name and the email. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.